Good morning, students. Now we will discuss about very important topic, that is impedance matching or impedance transformation devices or utilities and significance of lambda by 8, lambda by 4, lambda by 2 lines. Very important topics. That means a single topic, but the way of questioning is three ways. Impedance matching, explain about impedance matching, or impedance transformation devices, or utilities and significance of lambda by 8, lambda by 4 or lambda by 2 lines. Very important topic. Now to evaluate this, simply we need a simple one single formula. That is, we know that the expression for input impedance we have already derived. Input impedance, expression for input impedance we have already derived. This expression is Z in is equal to Z0 into ZL cos H gamma L plus Z0 sin H gamma L by Z0 cos H gamma L plus ZL sin H gamma L. It is the expression for input impedance we have already derived in our previous sections. Now I am letting cos H gamma L as a common term from the numerator and denominator. So Zn equal to Z0 into, by taking cos H gamma L as a common term, cos H gamma L, the rest of the term is here ZL, plus here no cos H gamma L, so Z0 into sin H gamma L by cos H gamma L. Numerator is over. While coming to the denominator, again cos H gamma L as a common term, Z0 plus ZL into sin H gamma L by cos H gamma L. Cos H gamma L. Here cos H gamma L get cancelled. Then Z in is equal to Z0 into, here the rest of the term is ZL plus Z0 into sin by cos tan H gamma L by Z0 plus ZL sin by cos tan H gamma L. Tan H gamma L. That is the point. And in case of lossless transmission line, alpha is equal to 0. This one is also derived in our previous sections. Alpha equal to 0. Then gamma equal to alpha plus j beta, general formula. Here the value of alpha is 0 plus j beta, that equal to j beta, that is gamma is equal to j beta. Gamma is equal to j beta. Now I am substituting this gamma value here and here. On those two places I am substituting the value of gamma. So it will become Zin is equal to Z0 into ZL plus Z0 into tan H gamma is nothing but J beta L by Z0 plus ZL tan H J beta L. Now look at here, this hyperbolic term This is the hyperbolic term in the numerator and denominator. I am writing at normal by letting J0 out. Then Z0 into ZL plus, this one can be written as J Z0 tan beta L by Z0 plus J ZL tan beta L. It is Zin. Now let it is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Here it is Z0 ZL plus, this term can be written as J Z0 tan beta L by Z0 plus J ZL tan beta L. It is equation number 1. Now with this equation we are finding the significance of all the lines. We are finding the significance of all the lines. For the first line, now with this I am first finding significance of lambda by 8 line. Lambda by 8 line, or it may called as 8th wave line. 8th wave line. Here the length of transmission line is lambda by 8. That is L is equal to lambda by 8. So it is called as 8th wave line. 8th wave line. L value is lambda by 8. Now beta L is equal to, we know that the value of beta is 2 pi by lambda into, here the value of L is lambda by 8. These two will be get cancelled. 4, that is equal to pi by 4. The value of beta L is pi by 4. Since beta is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Beta is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Now I am substituting the value of beta L, that is pi by 4, in equation 1. In equation 1. Here we are having beta L na, in this, at this position I am substituting this value. From equation 1, we have Zin is equal to Z0 into ZL plus JZ0 tan beta L by Z0 plus JZL tan beta L. Tan beta L. It is equation number 1. Look at here. Zin equal to Z0 into ZL plus JZ0 tan beta L. ZL plus JZ0 tan beta L by Z0 plus JZL tan beta L. Z0 plus JZL tan beta L. Now I am substituting the value of beta L. That means Zin is equal to Z0 into, here I am substituting beta L. Beta L. Instead of this one, I am substituting this value. So Z0 into ZL plus JZ0 tan beta L means pi by 4 by Z0 plus JZL tan pi by 4. Here we know that tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. That means tan 45 degrees is 1. So Zin equal to Z0 into ZL plus JZ0 into 1. This value will be 1 by Z0 plus JZL into 1. That is equal to Z0 into ZL plus JZ0 by Z0 plus JZL. Now simply consider magnitude on both sides. Now consider magnitude on both sides. Consider magnitude on both sides. Then here Z in, magnitude of Z in is equal to magnitude of Z0 into magnitude of ZL plus JZ0 by Z0 plus JZL. That is the magnitude. That is equal to magnitude of Z0 into, here by applying magnitude for these functions, square root of ZL square plus Z0 square by square root of Z0 square plus ZL square. Look at here. For this one we are applying magnitude. So first term is ZL square plus Z0 square. Here Z0 square plus ZL square. Look at here. These two terms will be get cancelled. Then finally we are getting magnitude of Z in is equal to magnitude of Z0. Z0. It is the significance of lambda by 8th line or 8th wave line. 8th wave line. Here in this case, the lambda by 8 lines are used to transfer any load impedance into input impedance, where magnitude is equal to the characteristic impedance. That is the importance of 8th wave transmission line. Similarly, we have to go for quarter wave transmission line and half wave transmission line. Now coming to the significance of lambda by 4 line or quarter wave transmission line. Lambda by 4 line or quarter wave transmission line. The same process has to be do here also. Here in case of quarter wave transmission line, L is equal to lambda by 4. Here the length of the transmission line is lambda by 4. Then beta L is equal to, beta means 2 pi by lambda into L is lambda by 4. Here L is lambda by 4. Lambda pi by 2, that is equal to pi by 2. Since beta is equal to 2 pi by lambda. Then from equation 1, again from equation 1 we have Z in is equal to Z0 into ZL plus JZ0 tan beta L by Z0 plus JZL tan beta L. It is equation number 1. We have already seen it. Then now I am substituting, instead of this beta L, pi by 2. So Z in is equal to Z0 into ZL plus JZ0 tan beta L means pi by 2 by Z0 plus JZL tan beta L means pi by 2. Here we know that the value of tan pi by 2 is infinity. Tan pi by 2 value is infinity. So we can't substitute that infinity directly. Then I am taking here tan pi by 2 as a common term. Then Z in is equal to Z0 into, by taking tan pi by 2 as a common term, here ZL by tan pi by 2, ZL by tan pi by 2 plus JZ0. Tan pi by 2 is taken out. And similarly from the denominator, tan pi by 2 as a common term, then it will become Z0 by tan pi by 2 plus j ZL whole bracket. This one will get cancelled. Then Zin is equal to Z0 into, look at here, ZL by infinity. Tan pi by 2 means infinity. ZL by infinity. ZL by infinity. Within the denominator, infinity. So this value will become 0 plus JZ0 by, here also 0 plus JZL. Z will get cancelled. It's Z0 into Z0. Z0 square by ZL. That is Zin is equal to Z0 square by ZL. Zin is equal to Z0 square by ZL. So this one can also be written as Z0 equal to square root of Zin into ZL. Also be written as like this. This lambda by 4 line, Zin equal to this one, like this, because Z0 equal to Zin into ZL. By writing this square to this side, it will become like this. Then lambda by 4 line is used as impedance inverter. Use it as a impedance inverter. This is the one. And here it is tan pi by 2 now. 1 by tan pi by 2 equal to 0. Write this one also. Then we will substitute it easily. So it is the significance of lambda by 4 line. Similarly, we have to observe the impedance significance of lambda by 2 line also. Similarly, we have to do for lambda by 2 line or half wave transmission line. We can also call it as half wave transmission line. Lambda by 2 line or half wave transmission line. In this case, the length of the transmission line L is equal to lambda by 2. Then beta L is equal to, beta is nothing but 2 pi by lambda into L is nothing but lambda by 2. Here beta L is equal to pi. Now substitute this value in equation 1. Again, from equation 1 we have, Zin is equal to Z0 into ZL plus JZ0 tan beta L by Z0 plus JZL tan beta L. Here the value of beta L is pi. So Zin is equal to Z0 into ZL plus JZ0 tan pi by Z0 plus JZL tan pi. We know that the value of tan pi value will be 0. So directly substitute 0. Then Zin is equal to Z0 into ZL plus 0 by Z0 plus 0. Here Z0 will get cancelled. Then Zin is equal to ZL. It is the importance of half wave or lambda by 2 transmission line.